In this video, we'll take a look at how to transpose data, and transpose is just a fancy word for when I want my rows to become my columns. So, in other words, notice here how I have 3 rows of data. What I want this to become is these 3 rows that flow from left to right. I want these values to become 3 columns that go down. So cat score, the variable name for the cat scores, would be in a column. Social support would be in column B and college GPA would be in column C. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to do that now. The easiest way, I think, to transpose the data is to go ahead and copy it. So I'll select the 3 rows, I'll right click the mouse, select copy, and I'm going to go ahead and transpose the data here. So I can keep these 2 separate for now. So with cell A5 selected, I'll right click the mouse, go to paste special, and then go down to the end where it says paste transpose. Go ahead and select that, and you can see there I've already got a transpose. So cat score 1200, it's right here, cat score 1200. Social support goes down now in column 2, and then college GPA goes down in column 3. And if we see here, we have 1260 to 3.45, there's 1260 to 3.45. Looking at one more example to make sure this worked correctly, 1050, 56, and to 9, there's 1050, 56, and to 9. Okay, that looks great. So what I'll do now is I'll delete these first 4 rows. So go ahead and select rows 1 through 4 here, right click the mouse, click on delete rows 1 through 4, and there you go. So we've got our data transposed, and I'll just go ahead and expand this a little by double clicking right here. Let's make it a little bigger, and then this one too. Alright. We've got our data now ready to be analyzed in the more traditional column format. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. In this video, we'll take a look at how to transpose data, and transpose is just a fancy word for when I want my rows to become my columns. So, in other